So guys, for the first method, make sure that Microsoft Teams is fully closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Microsoft Teams. You want to right click on it and then click on Quit Teams. This will now fully close out of Microsoft Teams. And then once you do that, you want to head over to search and type in Credential Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Windows Credentials. And now you want to find Microsoft Teams in this list. I don't have it in this list, but once you find Microsoft Teams, you want to click on the drop down. And then you want to click on Remove. And then click on Yes. Now you can open up Teams again. Sign back into your account and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand Security Devices. And now you want to find your Trusted Platform module. You want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver. And then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, make sure that you have TPM enabled in your BIOS. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search again and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HP Current User. And now you want to expand Software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now we're going to expand Office. We're going to scroll down till we find Office. You want to expand Office. And now you want to expand 16. And now you want to expand Common. And now we're going to click on Identity. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the Identity folder. And now once you're on this, we're just going to right click on the white space and then click on New and then click on DWORD for 8-bit value. We're going to call this Enable DAL. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on Enter. And now we're going to double click on this. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 0. It's probably going to be 0 by default and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then this should now fix your problem.